Okay, so again, we're talking about how to find the probabilities under a normal curve. At first we said there were three types of problems: below a number, above a number, between a number. We've already looked at how to do below a number. Let's talk about how to do above a number. So, let's look at the probability that z is greater than or equal to 1.81. Okay? Probability that z is greater than or equal to 1.81. So let's draw our normal curve. Okay? Here is the middle at 0. We're talking about 1.81 standard deviation. So we know 1 standard deviation is at the inflection point. So we're talking about something like right in here. Not that this graph or picture has to be perfect. That's 1.81 standard deviations above the mean. And our answer, we're looking for greater than or equal to, which means above. So we're talking about this probability, this area. Now, if we go back to our chart, I know that I'm on the right-hand side of the 0, so I'm on this side. However, when I look up the chart, the areas that I'm going to find in here are these gray areas, and I want the white area, the area that's to the right. So I'm going to have to keep that in mind. So let's go. Let's see. 1 point. I got to slide up just a little bit. 1.81 is right there. So 0.9649. 0.9649. Whoops. Malfunctions here. 0.9649. Paper back in place. All right, but 0.9649 represents this area. 0.9649 represents this area, which is not what I want. I want this area. Well, we know the total area under the whole curve is 100%, so 1 minus 0.9649 will give me what I want. It's what's left over from 100%, and 100% is the same thing as 1 when we're in decimal form. So let's see here. What is that? If I take 1 minus 0.9649, I get 0.0351. 0.0351. And that's the answer. The answer to this is 0.0351. Okay? Does that matter if we're talking about something that's on the left-hand side? Let's talk about the probability that z is greater than or equal to negative 2.40. So we're talking about something way down here. Well, that's going to be a good portion of it, because I already know by the empirical rule that 2 standard deviations covers 95% in between, 3 standard deviations 99.7%. So this is going to be quite a bit of the area. But let's look it up. Keep in mind, when I look it up, the area I'm going to get is this one, which is not what I want. So let's look up negative 2.40. So negative 2.40. Negative 2.40 is 0.0082. But again, that's that tiny tail, 0.0082. So 0.0082 is this. I want this area instead, so this area is 1 minus 0.0082. 1 minus 0.0082 on the calculator is 0.9918. so that's the probability. And that's how you do ones that are above.